In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can auto-translate text messages here on your iPhone running iOS 26. Before you get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS 26 software version. You can do this in future versions of iOS as well, but you need to at least be on iOS 26. And to check this, go into your settings and then scroll down and you're going to see a general tab. From here, select software update and you should see your version of iOS right in here. Install any updates if needed. You just have to at least be on iOS 26. Now from here, go ahead and open up the Messages app. And what you're going to want to do is tap on any conversation. In this case, let's do this one right here. What you're going to want to do is actually select the name up at the very top. And if you scroll down on this page, you're going to see an option for automatically translate. Go ahead and turn this on just like so and choose whatever language you would like. Now, for example, if you want it to be translated into English, don't change that setting here. This is going to be what you're translating from. So if the person speaks Chinese, choose Chinese. If they speak French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, and Spanish, go ahead and put any of those options on. It is going to take a second for it to download, but after you select one of those options, it'll begin downloading. And now when you back out of this section, you'll see the option to translate to. Keep it on English, and when you back out, you'll see it is translating Spanish down at the very bottom. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.